Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. I'm going for a sketch. Make a circle of diameter 30 and another circle on same center. Diameter is 48. Make a rectangle 11 mm. And with the help of move command, eight mm. Make another rectangle of dimension 24 and move it into center. And the distance from the edge to center of the circle is 35. And trim extra entities. Select this rectangle and use move command and place a dimension of 110. Use mirror command. Use corner command for extending the lines. Our sketch is prepared. You can check. Go for the pull command. With the help of move, I am rotating this face into 90 degrees and pull it by 24 mm length and select face for a sketch and make a circle of 16 mm diameter and then again pull. With the help of pull command, remove material, select and drag, and our geometry is finished.